In this video, we're going to dive into how to use Salesflare for customer onboarding, giving you a quick yet thorough explanation so you can start using the software effectively, even if you're new to it. Salesflare is an automated CRM built for small to medium-sized businesses and sales teams. It's designed to save time by automating repetitive tasks and keeping track of important customer interactions so you can focus more on building relationships. When you first start with Salesflare, you'll want to set up your account and integrate it with your existing tools. Salesflare makes this easy by connecting to most major email platforms and calendars, and it even integrates with apps like Zapier to connect to your other business tools. So you can bring in all your customer data automatically and sync it across the board. For customer onboarding, it's important to have a structured process that helps your team understand your customer needs and follow up at the right time. Salesflare lets you create custom pipelines and stages to track the progress of new customers from the moment they show interest until they become fully onboarded. Once you've got your pipeline set up, you can add customers directly into Salesflare by importing contact information or adding them manually. The CRM automatically pulls in data like emails, phone numbers, and social profiles, so you don't have to worry about manually tracking this information. What's really powerful about Salesflare is the automation. Once a customer is added to the pipeline, Salesflare automatically logs interactions with them, whether it's emails, calls, or meetings, keeping everything in one place. You can set up automated follow-ups so your team knows exactly when to reach out next, ensuring that no one falls through the cracks. Now, for customer onboarding, you'll want to focus on personalization. Use Salesflare's notes and tags to track important details about each customer. Maybe they're particularly interested in certain features, or you've promised them a demo. You can make these notes easily accessible for the entire team so everyone is on the same page when communicating with the customer. Salesflare also offers customizable email templates. You can create onboarding emails for your customers that are automatically sent based on triggers, like when they enter the pipeline or reach a certain stage. This reduces the manual effort needed to keep them engaged throughout the onboarding process. To make things even smoother, Salesflare allows you to automate task creation, so your team will have reminders to follow up at key points during onboarding. These tasks can be assigned to specific team members, ensuring that your onboarding process runs like clockwork. As you move through the stages of customer onboarding, Salesflare gives you valuable insights into customer behavior. You can see how engaged they are with your communications, which can help you adjust your approach as needed. If a customer hasn't responded to an email, for instance, you'll get a notification so you can follow up appropriately. Finally, tracking the success of your customer onboarding is crucial. Salesflare's reporting tools give you a clear overview of where each customer is in the process and which ones may need more attention. You can use these insights to tweak your process and improve your future onboarding efforts. By using Salesflare for customer onboarding, you streamline communication, reduce the risk of forgetting important tasks, and create a smoother experience for both your team and your customers. Plus, the automation lets you focus on building long-term relationships rather than worrying about the small details. As a bonus for watching until the end, I want to let you know that you can access Salesflare completely free through the first link below, and it comes with an exclusive extended free trial. This is a great opportunity to try out the software and see how it can work for your customer onboarding needs. Thanks for watching, and if you're looking to improve your sales and onboarding process, make sure to check out the link for that extended trial. You won't want to miss it.